Technological singularity. Will AI take over? The story of the century has been the kind of exponential technological development that humanity has experienced over the past 100 years. The notion that humanity is on the verge of a singularity has emerged as a topic of serious scientific debate as a result of this rapid growth. Some individuals think that AI will soon rule the planet. Actually, according to some analysts, this technological singularity will occur within the next 30 years. It's unsettling and invites serious discussion to consider the possibility that artificial intelligence could eventually rule the globe and humans will no longer be in charge. We are currently on the cusp of a technology-driven transformation that will fundamentally alter every aspect of modern human life as well as the whole human environment. What then is the technological singularity? And how will it alter our personal world specifically? Let's analyze it. Have you ever questioned whether thoughts are actually alive? How are they created? What triggers ideas, feelings, and other mental states? You may say, our brain. Why only ours though? What makes it unique? Why don't ants sit about contemplating the purpose of their existence? The human brain is a mystery, and little is yet known about it. Because of writing, printing, and the internet, human knowledge has been expanding for thousands of years, along with our capacity to transmit it. The Homo sapiens brain, the organ that produces this knowledge, has remained essentially intact and is shrouded in mystery. How the brain functions in humans, how thoughts arise, and what is consciousness? These and other issues make the human brain one of the universe's greatest scientific puzzles. If artificial intelligence succeeds in what it is intended to do, this will alter. A feedback cycle with unanticipated and even disastrous effects could happen if the mind starts to manufacture and consume technology. Because when intelligence itself is the object being designed, it can start to get better. The singularity theory predicts that the average person will soon become obsolete because they will be unable to keep up with biological intelligence that has been cognitively improved or artificially intelligent computers. A singularity in physics is a location in spacetime, such as the center of a black hole, where the laws of physics collapse and our ability to understand them with them. A singularity for mankind might happen, for instance, if rapid technological progress disrupted the entire human ecosystem and put an end to human affairs as we know them now. The state, legal system, economy, and other institutions that we take for granted today would not be present. Even the most basic human ideals, seeking pleasure, respecting life, and having the right to make your own decisions, would be given up. Our fundamental conception of what it means to be a human being, to be alive, and to be conscious would be challenged. What kind of technological development might conceivably result in such disruption? In this video, we'll talk about the hypothesis that significant advancements in one, or both, of two closely linked technologies, artificial intelligence, AI, or neurotechnology, could lead to a technological singularity. The artificial intelligence, AI, of computer programs could surpass that of humans in the singularity, potentially erasing the distinction between humans and machines. One of the key technologies that will make the singularity a reality is widely recognized to be nanotechnology. This increase in intelligence will have a significant impact on human society. These computer programs and artificial intelligence, AI, will develop into extremely clever machines with cognitive abilities far beyond those of people. Whether we believe the singularity will happen or not, the very idea of it causes us to worry and creates significant security threats and uncertainties for the future of humanity. In the 20th century, John von Neumann, an American mathematician of Hungarian descent, was the first to address the idea of a technological singularity. Since then, a lot of authors have adopted or repeated his perspective. Intelligent robots are expected to change and expand the human ecology in ways that have never before been possible, despite humanity's continuous attempts to alter its ecosystem. networked computers, information, communication, digitizing technology, and the internet have significantly changed how human-created information is produced, ushering in the information era as seen across all countries. The success of the ever-evolving information era depends on data and information are everywhere. The amount and caliber of digital data and information created and saved by people in cyberspace is rapidly growing, reaching about several quintillion bytes of data already. There are currently about 7.7 billion people on Earth, and the proportion of them who are linked is growing. Additionally, as human connectivity increases, computers have access to more data and knowledge, which enables them to find patterns, learn, and develop their intelligence. Machine learning algorithms are becoming more advanced quickly as a result of this information revolution. An apparent parallel rise in computer hardware to enhance machine intelligence capabilities appears to be occurring with the impressive advancements in software development. As a result, even the most advanced and evolved human brain cannot match the computational power of quickly developing computers, and machine intelligence will continue to rise exponentially until the point of singularity. Then the arrival of artificial superintelligence will be imminent. This is not a Hollywood science fiction tale. The science behind the potential evolution of intelligent machines. There is no doubt that a superintelligence that develops through artificial intelligence will possess greater problem-solving and creative skills than current humans. However, wouldn't that suggest the emergence of a different sentient species that might or might not be motivated by human interests? When the cosmos hits a singularity, what will become of human intelligence and humanity? How will people keep up with highly intelligent robots in the face of rapidly evolving and rising technology when the intelligence explosion looks to be inevitable? Is a crucial question that is raised by this. Some people think that producing a superhuman with superintelligence and using technologies to improve human intelligence can be used to counter artificial superintelligence. Although it is theoretically possible to create a superhuman with superintelligence through intelligence augmentation, through developments in bioengineering, genetic engineering, nootropic drugs, mind uploading, and even direct brain-computer interfaces, AI assistants, and more, the evolution of the human brain and human intelligence is actually a very complex process with far too many unknowns, dependencies, and variables. Currently, organizations like Neuralink, which Elon Musk created, are attempting to create these brain-machine interfaces. AI will expand our range of possibilities in ways that we are only just beginning to understand, resulting in a union of humans and machines. For example, Elon Musk believes that this is a feasible and essential course of action. Although developing a brain-computer interface to help those with specific health issues is the immediate goal of his company, Neuralink, he has a larger vision for the long term. He thinks that in order for humans to stay up with increasingly complex AI, this interface will be necessary. A discovery like this could change how humans and machines interact, leading to higher levels of AI intelligence. This gets us to the video's final crucial question: when will the technological singularity happen? While the exact day or time at which superintelligence will be attained is unknown, one thing is certain: the ominous trend of the technological singularity forces us as a society to think about what we want. The singularity will unleash a technology tsunami that will result in unimaginable changes and challenges to human society and its surroundings in cyberspace, geospace, and space, whether it is driven by artificial intelligence or other technical means. The challenge is figuring out whether the artificial intelligence-driven singularity would prioritize their own survival above ours under evolutionary pressure, because there is no obvious evolutionary rationale for an AI to be kind to humans. The truth is that no extremely intelligent machine would provide results that humans would value, and the development of artificial intelligence will not have any inherent tendency to do so. The world after the singularity will eventually be unrecognizable. For instance, it's possible for humans to have their consciousness scanned and stored on a computer. By using this technique, humans will be able to exist in a virtual world or as sentient robots forever. As artificial intelligence advances create human ecosystems with more risky and lucrative opportunities than ever before, we humans are faced with a conundrum. The destiny of humanity will be determined and defined by whether promise or peril prevails. Instead of making timeline predictions to the singularity with this movie, our goal is to start a discussion on the troubling trend of artificial intelligence development for the future of humanity. Whether or not we think the singularity is imminent, the idea itself raises important security and risk issues for humanity's future and compels us to think about what we want as a species. What do you think of the technological singularity then? Will AI take over? Or will they coexist with humans? Comment below your thoughts and let us know what you think.